At PSO, we're partnering with you to conserve energy and to ensure reliable service when the demand for electricity is at its highest. Through the PSO Power Hours program, you can help conserve energy, delay the need for more power plants, and save money. In this video, we'll give you a quick overview of how the program works. Each day, there are hours when more people are using electricity. These are called peak hours, and they're between 2 and 7 p.m. Providing all that power during peak hours strains our system. Small changes from each of us can add up to big savings. So the goal of the Power Hours program is to reward you for using energy during the other 19 hours of the day. The Power Hours program offers multiple ways for you to participate and save money. The Time of Day program, the Direct Load Control program, and the Combo, which includes both programs. Here's how these programs work. First, the Time of Day or TOD program rewards you with special rates during off-peak hours from June through October. Once you've enrolled in the TOD program, you can save money by shifting some of your energy use to off-peak hours when your rates are lower. For example, running your clothes dryer or dishwasher before 2 p.m. or after 7 p.m. is a great way to save money. It's also important to note that with the TOD program, PSO never controls your thermostat. You have complete control over your thermostat, and you decide if you want to adjust the temperature inside your home. Second, we offer the Direct Load Control or DLC program. Once you've enrolled in the DLC program, things work a little differently. This program is only for homes with central air conditioning and is designed to reduce strain on the power grid. This means those hot summer days when everyone is running their AC units simultaneously and demand is at its highest. When you sign up for the DLC program, PSO rewards you with bill credits for allowing us to adjust your thermostat during what is called peak events. Peak events are periods of high electricity demand. Only from June through October, never on weekends or holidays, only on weekdays, only between 2 p.m. and 7 p.m., and they can only occur up to 16 times per year. And you can opt out of any peak events at any time. You can also participate in both programs by signing up for the Combo to give you even more savings. These programs are designed to give you control and flexibility while saving you money at the same time. When you sign up for any Power Hours program, there is no commitment. You can unenroll at any time and for any reason. Also, when you sign up for Power Hours, you're eligible for a rebate for up to 2 Wi-Fi thermostats. As you probably already know, Wi-Fi thermostats are great for helping you manage your home's heating and cooling costs year-round with the convenience to control your home's usage from your smartphone. For more detailed information, check out our videos about the TOD program and about the DLC program, or visit us at www.psoklahoma.com/powerhours.